I have the right to be that one. No.
You just show face and come back here now.
What's the problem?
Let's you are your team. Let's go there.
This is court. You don't have that right to that court. You have no right to prevent. You don't have that right. You want yourself to that. You can't have no. You don't have the right to do what you are doing. You have the matter and another court and you can be here. They are preventing me from. They want them to revoke my bail on the other side. Imagine. That's what they want to do. That's what they want to do. They want them to revoke my bail on the other side.
No, it cannot work.
Correctional. You've been talking about this thing for more than.
I've been talking to you for 30 minutes. You don't want to listen to me.
This is not correctional system. Please, you are not in control of this court.
Now.
Don't show face. See, you are not in control of court.
You can even decide to be there.
Because it's not
Take him to that court now, please. If they will revoke his bail, there is another problem.
It's another problem.
That's what they are planning now.
No, I said let me go. Why would you let him just why would you let him just go there? What is the problem? You guys are what the woman now, let's go there. Let's go to the court. Wait. Let him go. We are passing now. We are passing. What are you doing? Let him go. It's a simple something. You are here.